This is the Frugal Gardener, and I'm back with another quick video. For those of you who are familiar with my channel, you know that I buy almost everything that I'm going to plant in late winter, early spring. I start making my purchases and planting my garden out around January. And in one of my previous videos, I encourage you to go out and buy your seeds while they were still plentiful, while they was a good variety, and while they are cheap. Well, let's take it to the next level. This is my next step in what I buy. Last year, or maybe it was the year before last, I ordered sweet potato tubers, and by the time I got them, they were toast. They were no good. I couldn't use them. And I went to reorder, and they were sold out. So that's one reason why I get this stuff early. Another reason is, as always, the price. I mean, I got these from Walmart. The onions, the sweet potatoes, these two I got from Walmart. And there's well, it's upside down, but you can read the sticker. And these potatoes, I'll get back to these in a minute. I got these and the sweet potatoes from Sam's. Now, here's the thing. There's 50 bulbs in this. I'm not sure if I'm getting a good picture on this, but 50 bulbs in there. That's a deal for $3.24. Again, five tubers for $3.24. Now, I have my own tubers, but again, this was kind of hard to pass up. The reason why I brought this particular batch here is because these are Yukon Golds. Yukon Golds, 5 tubers, $3.24. Now, there's eyes on these that, well, a lot of people just plant the whole potato. I cut these bad boys in half. Sometimes I can get 3 eyes out of 1 potato. That's the same as buying 3 potatoes. So it's very inexpensive. And another reason is a lot of people don't have the time that I have. You know, people are busy, or they just don't want to, fuss around with, buying potatoes. And if you're going to buy potatoes or onions, you want organic, and then, turn those into your tubers. Is just, I mean, for what? If you count both of these potatoes and these onions, it's like $10. So it's a lot less work, and it's very inexpensive. But I also wanted to talk about, well, that's another thing. 14 tubers in these sweet potatoes. That's quite a bit. That's more than most people will probably grow if you have a small garden. This is what I wanted to focus in also. Got the sun messing with me here. But these are 24 tubers, but they're not all the same. If you wanted to try something different, or if you're just doing this for the first time, you have purple potatoes, red potatoes, and white potatoes. You have 10 of the white potatoes, 10 of the red ones, and 4 of the purple ones, which I grew last year. So this is a nice variety here. Originally, these Sam's bags were $18, which is not bad, but they have since dropped the price to $8. I guess they're trying to get rid of them. So these sweet potatoes are now even cheaper than they were when I purchased them, because I was there a couple of days ago, and also these seed potatoes. So something for you guys to consider if you're growing potatoes. Don't wait until May, which is when most people plant them, and then decide to go out and buy them, because you're probably going to pay full price. This way you can get them much cheaper, which means that depending upon your budget, you can buy more and you'll have a bigger harvest. So that's what I wanted to show you guys today. I have another video coming up this week, which is on the new things I'm going to plant this year. Every year I plant something new to go along with, the traditional standard stuff. So I'm going to reveal my list of new plants, and hope you stick around for that. And again, if you have not subscribed, please do so you don't miss anything. I have a big announcement coming up, and I don't want you to miss that either. This is the Frugal Gardener, and remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys on the next video. Enjoy your day.